Welcome to today's tutorial.
I'm Tosi Concept.
So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 free best AI websites that you can actually upscale your images for free from this to this, restoring the skin tones and maintaining the details in the image. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, the first AI we're going to be making use of is this, which is the image upscaler.com. so this website is actually for free. You don't require any login to actually use this website. So for today's video, we're going to be making use of this image here. We're going to be making use of this image. So let's zoom in to the image. So you can actually see the image. There's no detail on it. It's actually blurred. So this is a perfect image you're going to be making use of. You to log in to start to use the website. So it's totally free. So let's drag in our image here. So this is our image. So let's drag it here. So let's click on start. And also, let's click on start. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Then you can see it's done loading. So let's preview the image. So this is the preview. So this is actually the after, and this is before, and this is after. This is before, so this is after. So let's actually download the image, then compare it. So you can see the image is done downloading. The image is done downloading already. Let's open our image. So the image is done downloading. So this is the upscaled image here. So let's zoom in. Let's zoom into it. So it actually did a great job. But we didn't get that perfect skin tone on it. Didn't get that perfect skin tone, and the eyes look a bit blurry, but it gives a perfect result. This is a perfect result compared to the original image. So let's split in our screen. Let me split in. I'm splitting my screen. So you can actually see this. And this is the before and after. So you can see the AI actually did a great job on this image. So this is actually great. So let's move on to the second AI we're going to be making use of, which is the pixelcut.ai, create.pixelcut.ai/upscale. So this is the second AI we're going to be making use of. So let's do the same. Let's do the same. So let's drag in our image here. Let's drag it to this box. So let's wait for it to load. So same with this website, you don't require any login to use this website, and your upscale size is only 2x. You can use the 4x upscale. That's for premium account. It's done upscaling. So this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. You can actually see you actually did a great job in this. So let's download the file. Let's actually download the file. So I think it's done downloading already. It's done downloading already. So let's open our image. Here. So this is our image. So let's split in our screen. So this is the image. So let's zoom in. Let's zoom in a little bit. So yeah, you can actually see this. Yeah, this is actually perfect. We got a perfect results. Yeah, but still the same thing. We lost our details. We lost some details and also some skin tones. We lost some details and some skin tones. The third AI website we're going to be using, which is the image2go.com/upscale image. So this is the website we're going to be using, and also this website doesn't require you to log in or sign up for you to use the website. It's totally free, but although it has the coin and the maximum, your coin balance is 10, so you can only do 10 images on this website, 10 images for a day or sometimes an hour. So in case of you notice this, when you notice it shows limit, so what you do is to wait for an hour, cancel the app, come to the website, wait for an hour, then reopen the website again. So let's drag in our image. Yeah, so this is our image, so let's drag it to it. So as it's uploading, you click on start. So our upscale is set to 2x upscale. So it's done upscaling. Let's wait for it to load. So yeah, it's done loading. So let's preview our image. So yeah, this is our image. It's actually done. So let's click on the download button here. So let's click on download, then let's wait to download. So yeah, it's done downloading. So let's open it to see our result. So yeah, this is the perfect result. So let's actually do the same, split the screen. So yeah, let me split the screen. Let me open the original one. Yeah, this is the original image. Yes, this, we actually almost got it here. This one is a little bit perfect. So yeah, this is actually perfect compared to the warm-up. We almost got the skin tone here. So let's zoom in. Almost got the skin tone here. So this also is just amazing. So you can see the hairs. You can see this upscale actually did an amazing job to this image. So let's move on to the fourth AI, which is the let's enhance.io/post. So this is the fourth image upscaler we're going to be making use of. So yeah, you can actually make some settings here. So light AI intensity, let's leave this to be 17. Then the tone enhancement, this is to actually get the details on the face and also some gray on it, and also the color enhancement. So let's leave this to be 70%. So let's do the same. Let's drag in our image. Here, and let's upload it. Let's wait to it in. So yeah, ready to process. So this is it. So actually this website actually requires you to log in. So what you just do is to click on the sign up and continue with either your Gmail. You click on the sign up, continue with your Gmail, and you get a 10 coin on it. Whenever you sign up on this website, you get 10 coin. So let's click on start processing. I'm actually logged in to the website. So as it starts processing, you can see we have 4 credits left. You can see we have 4 credits left. So here you can see it's done processing. So let's click on the download. So forget about this little watermark here. So when you download it, the watermark won't follow the image. So let's wait for it to download. Then you can see this is it, it's done downloading. So let's click on it to open. So you can see no watermark on it. So let's zoom in. So you can see we actually have the perfect skin tool we are looking for. Here you can see this is a perfect skin tool we are looking for. but you can see it's a little bit noisy. The image is a little bit noisy, so you can actually correct this noise in Photoshop, or if you don't have Photoshop, you can actually use the next AI we're going to be making use of, which is upscale.media. So this website also, it doesn't require you to log in, it's actually free. So let's click on upload image. Let's wait for it to load. So you click on upload image, then it will take you to here. So here you can upload image. Then so let's do the same thing. Let's drag in our image. Let's drag in our noisy image to it. So this is if you don't have Photoshop, or if you cannot use Photoshop. So you can actually use this AI, the upscale.media.com. So you upload it, then you wait for it to load. Let's wait, loading. So it's still loading. Let's wait for it to load. I think it's done loading. So this is a zoom in, so you can see the before and after, but it kind of tampered with the skin texture a little bit, but the noisy part is gone already. You can see no more noise on the hair. So you can just click on download image. Click on download image, then it will start to download. So let's wait for it to download so that we can compare it. I think it's done downloading, so let's open our image, then split our screen. Let's split our screen. Yeah, this is the noisy image. So let's zoom in this one. Let's put it on 150. So yeah, you can see it. This is the noise remover, and this is the natural skin here. So you can see it. This is with the upscale.media.com. So it's kind of also enhance the image a little bit. So let's open Photoshop if you want to make use of Photoshop to reduce the noise on the image. So let's wait for Photoshop to open. So let's drag in our image, then let's transform it to fill in. So you click on it. So yeah, this is our image here. So let's duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J, then go to filter, then camera raw filter. So yeah, this is our camera raw filter. So you increase the texture a little bit, increase the texture a little bit. So let's turn on our before and after. So yeah, this is the before and after. So increase the clarity a little bit. So increase the clarity. Yeah, so go to detail, then reduce the color noise reduction, then also the noise reduction, you reduce it a little bit. Yeah, I think 61 is okay. So yeah, you can see we have gotten rid of the noise in it. So let's also reduce the clarity a little bit. Let's reduce the clarity a little bit. Let's reduce the clarity a little bit, then add a little bit of texture to it. So let's add a little bit of texture, then let's go to our effect. This is the effect. So let's increase the grain. Let's increase the grain. So yeah, this is the grain is set to 25. So yeah, you can see the noise is no longer there, but our skin tone is okay. So this is the before and this is the after. So you click on OK. So let's compare it. Let's wait for it to load. So yeah, it's downloading. So this is the before and this is the after. So if you're enjoying this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and also tell us in the comment section which AI and you have tried. Thank you.